Pulled an old DVC file from a Lotus-123 archive and need to recover the data? This is a legacy spreadsheet format from the original PC business software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Lotus-123 data files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn DVC files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. DVC files are data files used by Lotus-123, a pioneering spreadsheet application that dominated business computing in the 1980s and 1990s. They contain spreadsheet data formulas, formatting, and macros from Lotus-123 worksheets, preserved for legacy data recovery, and historical business records access. DVC files use Lotus-123's proprietary binary format storing cell values formulas, formatting metadata, and worksheet structure. The format includes Lotus-specific function references named ranges and macro definitions reflecting the application's distinct approach to spreadsheet computation, predating modern Excel formats. To maintain file fidelity, use Lotus-123 developed by IBM to open DVC. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows provides limited clarity for large spreadsheets, so full navigation needs dedicated tools. Open the menu by right-clicking your DVC file and choosing Open With. Try Lotus-123 first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is essential for troubleshooting. If the DVC file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Failure of the main program tells us the DVC error is systemic. Let's not waste time. Here are 3 essential steps to troubleshoot the file right now. First, opening in modern spreadsheets. Try opening DVC files in Microsoft Excel or LibreOffice Calc, which include legacy Lotus-123 import filters. Use File then Open, and navigate to the DVC file, allowing the application to convert the data. Some formatting and macro functionality may not translate perfectly to modern spreadsheet formats. Next, using conversion tools. Use specialized conversion utilities like ABC Amber Lotus Converter or Vintage software emulators to convert DVC files to XLSX or CSV format. These tools handle Lotus-specific formatting and formulas more accurately than direct import into modern spreadsheets, preserving data integrity for archival purposes. Finally, running Lotus-123. Install Lotus-123 in a virtual machine running DOS or Windows 95-98 to open DVC files in their native environment. DOSBox provides another option for running classic Lotus-123 versions. From within Lotus, export data to formats supported by modern applications like CSV or text. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.